A servant brings me such a base argument. I do not at all say that the company of barons, of ladies, and of men of high lineage is not always more abundant in joy, through good jongleurs, upright and without folly. For just as those of whom I speak to you make good courts greater in worth through their company, just so do base ones make them fall, for the games they play are far worse than wearisome.